Process management. Top displays real-time system processes, resource usage, and performance stat. Htop, an enhanced interactive version of top with easier navigation and color-coded output. Kill terminates a process by its process ID. Kill all kills processes by their name instead of process ID. PS shows the status of running processes. PS tree displays processes in a tree format, showing parent-child relationship. Pkill sends a signal to process by name commonly used to kill them. Nice starts a process with a specified priority. System information. DU displays disk usage of files and directories. DF shows the available and used disk space on file system. Uname displays basic system information like OS and kernel version. Free shows memory usage including total used and free memory. LSCPU displays detailed CPU architecture information. LSPCI lists all PCI devices in your system like graphics card, network card. LSBLK displays information about blocked devices like hard drives or partitions. LSHW lists detailed hardware information including memory, CPU and storage. Uptime shows how long the system has been running along with the load averages. Network configuration and monitoring. Ping sends ICMP echo request to check connectivity to a network host. Netstat displays network connections, routing tables, interface statistics, and more. IP, a powerful tool to manage network interfaces, addresses, and routes. SS, similar to Netstat but faster and more detailed, used for network socket stats. Traceroute traces the route packets take to reach a destination, showing intermediate hops. NC Netstat used for reading or writing network connections, debugging and testing. SSH Secure Shell allows remote login to another computer over a network. If config configures or displays network interfaces depreciated in favor of IP. NSLOOKUP queries DNS servers to find IP addresses for domain names. curl transfers data from or to a server, supports multiple protocol HTTP, FTP, etc. Files and directory management. PWD prints the current working directory path. CD changes the current directory. LS lists file and directories in the current directory. CP copies files or directories. MV move or rename files or directories. RM removes or delete files or directories. Touch creates an empty file or updates the timestamp of an existing file. MKDIR creates a new directory. RMDIR removes an empty directory. Package management. Yum package manager for Red Hat based system like CentOS to install, update and remove software. APT package manager for Debian based systems like Ubuntu for installing and managing software. DNF a newer version of Yum for Fedora based system used for package management. RPM package manager for Red Hat based system used to install or query RPM packages. apt-get older version of apt used for package management on Debian based systems. Snap package management system for universal Linux apps across distribution. DPKG low level package manager for Debian based system handling .deb packages. Zyper package manager used for installing, updating and removing software. Pacman package manager for Arch Linux based system used to manage packages from the Arch repository. Users and group management. ID displays user and group ID for the current user or any specified user. Groups shows the groups a user is part of. Groupadd creates a new user group. Groupdel deletes a group. Passwd changes a user's password. Useradd adds a new user to the system. Userdel deletes a user from the system. Usermod modifies a user's properties such as username, home directory, etc. Whoami displays the username of the current user. File viewing and editing. Vim a highly configurable text editor for efficient text editing. Nano a simple user-friendly terminal text editor. More views file content page by page in the terminal. Less similar to more but allows both forward and backward navigation. Cat displays the content of a file in the terminal. Gedit a graphical text editor for GNOME desktop environment if available. Head displays the first few lines of a file. Tail displays the last few lines of a file, often used to view log files.